What is Taiko? Taiko means drum in Japanese, but in the English-speaking world, Taiko is an art form that combines thundering percussion with choreography and storytelling. Portland Taiko was established in 1994, making it the first Taiko group in Portland. Our group delivers exciting live performances that have captivated audiences around the country. We have headlined arts festivals and concert halls and performed at hundreds of community events and school assemblies. With over 1,500 performances to date, Portland Taiko has reached more than 1 million audience members, and we're eager to continue to share this tradition with the greater Portland community and beyond. Portland Taiko offers classes for students of all levels, from complete beginners to experienced players. Our educational programs for kids introduce them to the history and significance of Taiko in Japan and North America through engaging physical and musical activities. Portland Taiko also offers classes and team-building workshops for businesses and community groups. Visit portlandtaiko.org to find upcoming performances, enroll in Taiko classes and workshops, and learn more about how you can support Portland Taiko.